Oh, what do we have here? This one is titled Out of Control Passenger Gets Pepper Sprayed by Airport Police by Body Cam Ninja.
On September 28th, 2024, officers were called to the airport after a man became disruptive on a United Airlines flight.
Who can tell me what's going on? Okay, tell me what's going on.
I had a gentleman on my plane.
Okay.
That he was actually supposed to be in 22C and he moved to the exit row.
Okay.
Which was fine, it was empty. And he, before the flight, he was like, can I get a drink? And I said, make sure your card's on file.
Okay.
So then when I came to do my service, he said, I want a peppermint something. I'm like, we don't even have that.
Okay.
So then I looked and I said, what was your original seat? He told me.
Okay.
I said, sir, your card is not on file. Well, I want a drink. And I said, I cannot serve you. And he's trying to hand me his card. I think he was already a little bit, whatever.
Okay.
Then the guy next to him, when he left, he said he was messing with the compartment that holds our emergency exit rope.
Okay.
And it was, my little hook was there before the flight. It is now missing.
Okay.
I didn't see him take it, but the guy next to him said he was messing with it.
Okay.
But he also said he didn't see him take it, but he was messing with it. So.
Okay. Can you show me what I'm looking for? Because I have no idea what the heck I'm looking for.
I don't even know what she looking for.
So I'll show you this one so you can see.
Okay.
This is the one that is. See how there's the rope with the hook?
Oh, a carabiner?
Yes.
Okay.
Called it a hook, but okay.
Okay.
This one, okay. This one does not have it.
Okay. Okay.
And the plane has to have it too.
All right.
So,
What an asshole.
It's not anywhere else possible before I go and search this guy in his bags and violate all of his civil rights.
nope, it's not.
Okay, and we know for sure it was here before you left.
Yes. Like I said, I didn't.
Are you guys able to get me names of passengers? Because the airlines won't give it to me without a search warrant or subpoena. So if you guys can help me acquire that, I'd love it. So
Josh, they said that they're just trying to find his bag so they can hold it, so he'll go looking for his bag.
Okay.
So far, he's not having luck finding it, but they're still looking.
Okay.
Wondered if these guys could, like, maybe identify him.
Okay. Who would have a flight manifest so we'd know who we're talking about in each seat? Does that make sense?
The gentleman in question.
Sorry, this is who?
The gentleman that we believe stole it, took it.
Okay.
Don't tell me he worked there.
It's about a day I was here. Yeah. American.
And then this guy right here is the guy that said stop.
The witness?
Yes. I said I didn't witness anything, so.
Okay. Do you have your ID?
Oh,
How do I
shit.
get information for these people?
For what people?
The suspect and the witness. Let me just take a picture of that real quick.
I'm not sure that I can let you do that.
It's your crime. Okay. You guys don't want my help. It's okay.
That's the stupidest shit, right? Whole cop right there, and boy, that'll piss me off. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Sorry, guys. You're probably going to be delayed.
A lot.
Yeah. I didn't do anything. United's trying to file a police report, and they won't give me any information on the victims or witnesses or the suspects. And the plane can't leave without this particular equipment that was supposedly stolen. And I'm like, tell me who they are. I can't give you that. But how the heck do you expect me to solve this?
But you want me to do a police report and you can't give me any
Yeah,
information?
yeah. So I tried to take a picture of their boarding pass and everything. I can't give you that.
I would just walk.
Okay.
You'd say, okay, we're done.
Yeah, it's bizarre. Absolutely bizarre.
So this is the gentleman that you recognize him?
Which one?
And he's the guy in the black shorts. and
Okay.
black hat,
Tell me what happened.
We're on the plane, kept fiddling with like a little emergency thing, pulling it out. I told him put it back in, stop doing it.
And I mean, he was just belligerent drunk. He was being absolutely rude to her, which I mean isn't a crime. He was banging on the window, and just ignorant the entire time. And way too drunk to be flying. I think he was joking, but he said something about only 2 people are making off this plane, and it's either one of you, and I want it to be you, and said that. I think if that's the gentleman that was sitting next to him, said that to him. I mean, just ignorant.
Okay. What the hell?
Just ignorant.
Okay.
So.
Hey, how are you? Ready to watch some excitement? Hi, sir. I need to see your ID, please.
Come again?
I need to see your ID, please.
I got it in my bag out in the truck.
Where's your bag? Let's go find it real quick.
It's out in the truck.
Okay, let's go find it.
I don't want to miss
What the fuck is he waiting for?
my bag, man.
It'll be here. You're not gonna miss your bag. We pulled it off already.
Why would you do that?
Because we have to talk to you about some stuff.
What I do?
Well, that's what we're gonna talk to you about.
Do you need my, so I have a couple of forms of ID. I have
Okay.
my digital ID.
No, I want your real ID. What truck are you in? The what?
That white truck right there.
Oh, the company truck?
Yes, sir.
Hold on. You did this while you at work? And you finna get arrested in front of your boss? Oh, we gotta watch this.
What company is it?
Osborne.
Okay. Do you own it, or do you work for them, or who's here to pick you up?
Yes, I work for him. He's my foreman.
Okay.
Did I do something wrong?
Well, hold on. Let's get your ID and we'll talk about it.
Well, did I do something wrong?
Yeah, probably.
What I do?
Hi, sir. Is he your employee?
Yes, sir, he is.
Okay.
He's a
He
dumbass.
took something off the plane that he wasn't supposed to take, so we need to get it back before the plane can leave, or else he's going to be arrested.
He's a dumbass.
Oh.
Yeah. Give me your ID, dude.
Oh, bro, I didn't take nothing off.
You did. We saw you. Where's the carabiner you took from the plane?
What's the carabiner?
In that little door that you kept messing with. Give me your ID.
Hold on. There's my ID.
Okay. All right. Now, where's the carabiner
You gotta be a stupid motherfucker to be doing dumb shit while you at work and your boss picking you up.
you took?
I didn't take no
You did. We saw you. The plane can't leave until you give us the carabiner that you took.
No, I don't.
Okay? And here's the deal. It's going to be a federal offense.
Okay, bro, here's my f***ing bags that I f***ing took off the f***ing plane. I didn't take no carabiner.
Empty your
Check
pockets
them.
for me.
Go ahead and check them.
Empty your pockets for me.
There's that.
Empty your pockets.
You know if they find this, that's a federal offense and your ass going to jail. Right?
Oh,
Okay. Just letting you know.
this thing.
Oh, look at that.
Whoopsie! Oh, yep. Going to jail. One-way ticket.
Look at that. You're a freaking thief. Stay right here. You're not going anywhere. Yeah, I'm charging you for theft. You stole this from the airplane. You're the whole reason this airline was delayed. Yes, you're getting charged for theft.
Actually, go ahead and just arrest his ass right now.
Dude, I didn't steal nothing.
You did. It's right here in your pocket.
Oh, that ain't
In front of your boss.
no theft, man.
It is too. Sir, do you have your ID with you?
You know, what does he need his?
Because he's your boss.
Yeah, your ass going to jail. And they about to fire your dumb ass. Boy, that's 2 in 1 day.
I'm sorry about that.
No.
It's not your deal.
It's, man.
He's been rude and belligerent and intoxicated on the entire flight. The plane has this for safety. If they don't have this, the plane can't leave.
I understand.
And so,
I apologize. on his
no,
behalf,
it's not
sir.
it's not you. You had nothing to do with it, right? I mean, you're just picking a guy up who stole stuff.
Bro,
So-
I didn't,
Dude, it's right here.
okay, dude, I didn't, like,
In the company truck, boy. Hell nah. Boy, you smoking. Boy.
It's in your pocket. You stole it, dude.
okay,
It's already over with. It's already over with.
Come here and tell me that shit.
Poncho. Hey. Stop, fool. Do you want to go to jail for?
Dude, this is a federal offense.
He going to jail. It ain't. Do you want to go to jail? His ass going to jail.
This isn't even state. This is a federal offense, dude.
Just get in the truck and shut up. Just get in the fucking truck. Put your seatbelt on and shut up.
Thank you.
Son of a. It's always so kinky, bro. Just chill out.
Here in just a few minutes, I'll come back and grab you. He needs to stay in the truck.
Okay.
And I'll come back and grab you, and then I'll let you take his luggage for him,
I
okay?
appreciate it.
All right.
Thank you, officer.
So I'm going to charge him criminally for theft, and then I'll refer it to the FAA as well
Yeah.
and Homeland Security.
That'd be awesome.
Just so that you know, so
For
he
sure.
can he can deal with that.
Okay.
It was in his right front pocket.
Okay.
So
Sounds good. Yeah,
okay.
thank you so much.
And
I
who?
appreciate it.
Shall I report
That's called a carabiner. I didn't know that.
back to the person I talked to already, or the pilot in command?
There's a new crew on the plane, so I would give that probably to the new crew.
Okay.
Maintenance is going to come and deal
Have
with
to do
that.
their stuff.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll give that to the PIC on the new crew. Is what I would do.
Okay. Okay. Are you the PIC? Okay, sir. So we found it in his right front pocket.
Taking off his pants.
Well, it was in his pocket when I got there, but anyways. So I've got it
Stupid.
back. I'm going to charge him criminally through the state of Idaho. But I'm also going to refer to the FAA and Homeland Security, and they can deal with whatever they're going to deal with him on this.
And you know what the crazy thing is? I'm so glad that I literally check that stuff, like, because that was like embedded in us in school.
Okay.
People will steal this. I'm like, why would you steal a hook?
Do you mind going to the gate and telling them that we have it?
I can, yeah.
That's why you gotta pay attention in training, baby.
I'll go let them know right now. Yeah.
His boss is outside picking him up.
Oh, we thought he was driving. I was like, oh,
No, his boss is outside picking up, and he is not excited about picking this guy up right now. What's up? Not yet. Waiting for the other officer to bring the paperwork.
So how long is that going to take?
Who knows? The flight is delayed because of you. They're not able to leave. So who knows? You can wait just as long as they're waiting. So just relax.
All right, that's fine, man. I ain't tripping, dog. I didn't know I did something wrong.
Okay.
Stealing. You don't think there's something wrong with you stealing? Stupid.
All right.
I just want my luggage or charge me or whatever. dog.
Yeah. I'm waiting for the other officer to bring the paperwork. So,
Charge me or whatever.
yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. They're going to bring your paperwork to give you your charges. So, just relax.
I'm relaxing, man.
Okay.
I ain't heard nothing. And we're just sitting out here. Like, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So what's up?
Yeah, I told you, you're going to wait till that other officer gets here.
Okay, so where's he at?
He's coming.
Dude, you already got caught stealing. Why are you trying to be in control of something that you ain't in control of? Are you trying to be like, come on, bro? Really? Really?
What?
What?
He's coming.
Okay. I asked you that. You
Okay.
said that.
So go have a seat. Go wait.
I'm chilling, fool. I'm chilling right here.
All right.
Cool. Is this cool right here? Or does this not suit you?
You raise your voice to me again, you're going to handcuffs. Do you hear me?
What you gonna do, fool?
Oh, you gonna take it up a notch. Not only are you gonna steal in front of your boss or your employer, now you want to charge at a cop? Oh yeah.
You better
Oh,
watch
yeah.
yourself.
Fucking raise your
You better watch yourself.
Shut up, fool.
Huh? Turn around and put your hands behind your back. Turn around and put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Nope.
You're under arrest right now for assault.
I didn't do shit. I
Dude.
didn't do shit, man. Listen to him. I didn't even do nothing to you, dog.
Put your hands behind your back. Now! Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Stupid. That's what your dumb ass get.
Now.
My hands are hurt. My
I
hands
don't give a shit.
They wasn't too hurt when you was stealing.
Oh. All right. You all right, man? Can I wipe my
No.
You big dummy. Just a dumbass.
Give me this hand. You're now under arrest for 2 charges. Both of them are felonies.
Man, can I wipe my
No.
Please.
Nope. Let's go. You should probably listen the first time.
It's too late to apologize. You gotta be one stupid motherfucker.
Expedite. I just had to use OSA on this guy. Should have listened. Should have listened, right?
Oh, I just asked you a question.
Nah, you aggressed me.
Let it burn. Let it burn. You gotta let it burn.
Yeah, it burns, huh?
Can you wipe my shirt, my face with my shirt, please?
Ew. Ooh. He needs some milk.
Should have listened, dude.
Dude, I didn't even.
And you know it's crazy. You know these people be having the most chillest cops, and they still find a way to go to jail. I don't be understanding that shit, boy.
Really? It's all on video. It's all on video.
Man.
It's all on video, dude.
You that scared? Yes. Get scared of me, fool.
Oh. Taser. 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 Look at this tough guy.
Okay, we're going to the ground. Now. All right, guys, all right. Guys, I'm bleeding. It's unfortunate, dude. You should just chillax. You should just chillax, huh?
Okay, can I get up, please?
No, you're not getting up.
You're staying right where you're at.
You're not getting up.
Please, I can't breathe, guys.
You're breathing, you're talking.
Now you can't breathe. You shouldn't be doing dumb shit.
All right.
Damn.
So, you're under arrest.
I just want to go. Oh,
You're under arrest for felony stealing an item from an airplane.
Oh, God.
You're under arrest for felony assault on a police officer. And you're under arrest for resisting obstructing. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir. Can I answer that?
Nope.
Okay. Nope, you're gonna stay right where you are.
That's my kid's mom.
Oh. Good.
I apologize.
Okay.
Again, man.
Well, so
That dude is yoked.
here's what's going to happen with him, just so that you know. He's under arrest. He's going to jail for 2 felonies and a misdemeanor. Okay? That's why I had to wait for the officer to get here, and they were busy on something else. That's why it took so long. I'm sorry, but I wasn't going to tell him. As soon as
I tried to keep him out of there. We almost came to blows ourselves right here.
Yeah, I know.
You know, I'm not gonna go to jail for him, bro.
Yeah,
So I was
yeah,
like,
I
get
know.
the f- out my truck
I
and
know.
sit on the bench, be
Yeah.
cool.
All right, so I just let your boss know the airline has your luggage. The airline's already gone. You're going to have to come back and find a way to get your luggage. You're not getting it tonight. Your boss is going to do whatever he needs to do on his end, okay? You're not going with him tonight. You're going to the jail.
Is that like a federal offense?
It is.
That's what I figured.
Yeah, it is.
That's the feds, bro. That's FBI territory now. Like you really fucked yourself with this one.
It is, but I'm charging him for the state felony, and then the feds can take it over. And the plane can't leave the ground. It's on the ground, so they're waiting for the mechanic to come, and the mechanic may have to come from Utah because Jeff is not around right now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It was connected to I connected. The bitch told me to connect it to my luggage. I connected it to my luggage.
My face burns,
Sit down. That is okay. You around with EMS, and now you get to have your face burn on the ride to the hospital.
You gotta let it burn.
I'm not trying to with EMS, man.
Too late. You already did.
The
Dumb.
suspect was charged with a felony count of stealing parts from an aircraft, assault on an officer, and resisting arrest. He also faced a federal charge for theft from an aircraft, but that charge was later dropped. As a result of this arrest, he became a convicted felon and spent 60 days in jail.
Wow.
Thanks for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button and check out another video below.
Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and share button as well, as it helps this channel out tremendously. Damn, I need a haircut. And that's it, baby. Out.